Hello guys! Samahan niyo ako ngayon sa pag-unbox ng casing ng aking cellphone na Samsung Galaxy C9 Pro. So, ito siya guys. Ito yung phone ko. And, ito yung nabili ko na bagong casing sa Shopee. Ang pangalan ng seller na nabilhan ko sa Shopee is business.ph. Tara, buksan na natin. Nabili ko siya sa halagang 120 pesos kasama na yung shipping fee doon. So, super mura. And napili kong color is light green yata to. So, ito na siya. In fairness, good quality. I love it. Kasi, ito yung luma ko. And, itong luma ko masyadong manipis. See? And, nagtatanggal na siya. It's been with me since, I think, 2017 or 2018. So, kung 2017, 18, 19, 20, 2021. So, roughly 3 to 4 years na rin to sa akin. Kaya, nakakahiya naman kung hindi ko siya papalitan. Kaya naisipan kong bumili ng bago. Ito, nabili ko masyadong manipis. Pero mahal. Kasi sa ibang bansa pa to. Ito, for a cheaper price and good quality. So, I guess, that's a 2 thumbs up dun sa business.ph na seller na nabilhan ko sa Shopee. This is not sponsored. So, bale, inaano ko lang, at least, you know guys, na kung may bibilihin kayo na related sa phone accessories, you can try to check their page on Shopee. Baka sakaling makatulong kung naghahanap kayo. I-try rin natin guys kung magkakasya siya dito sa cellphone ko. So, ito na siya. And let's see if this fits. In fairness, I love it. Pagpasensyahan nyo na to kasi luma na talaga yan. Siguro next time yan naman ang bibilhan ko. So, mobile phone accessories. And other term rin niya is shockproof silicone phone soft cover and soft case. Pero yung quality niya, mas maganda kasi mas makapal siya sa old one. And medyo mabigat ng konti kesa dito since nga ito manipis. So, this is really affordable since 120 pesos siya. Including the shipping fee. Kasi parang may discount yata ako sa Shopee. It's because of my coins yata yun or points. So, and at the same time, may voucher ako na nakuha, kaya naka-discount ako. So, if you wanna check it out, I will also post the picture or screenshot of the store or seller where I got this phone accessory. So, ayan guys. I hope you try to check it out as well. Ganda niya.
Paano masabi?
Kasi masyado kong particular sa mga gadgets. So, inaalagaan ko silang mabuti. Kasi ang mga cellphone ko, not really mga. Pero yung mga naging cellphone ko way back, talagang tumatagal sa akin ng 5 to 7 years. Kaya, inaalagaan ko siya masyado since nga wala rin akong pambili. Kaya, kailangan talagang tiis-tiis muna. At the same time, kailangan rin nating alagaan yung mga gamit natin. Just like the service that they give to us, syempre, kailangan natin silang alagaan para mahaba ang samahan. So, ayun. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to press like, subscribe, maybe share as well sa ibang social media apps. And also, you can press the notification bell for it to be updated of my latest video. And lastly, if you want me to do some reviews, or do you have something in mind, or you have something in mind na pwede nyong ipagawa sa akin, as long as kaya ko, I will try my best to do it for you. So that's it for now, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time, and see you next time.